Young one, what are you going to do? One defender, two defender. Young one, he's fouled. Shout out to all the parents in the building. Thanks for the support. Free throws no good. Rebound, now Bongo. Mr. Demarius, you're down. What are you going to do? Demarius, face up. You and him and you. Takes that hip power away, pass. No Bongo, finish. The pass, Mr. Demarius.
A hard-fought game. I told them to hustle, keep up the defense, keep their hands up, and just play hard through the whole game. And they came out with the victory. Huh? Oh, Dreamland. Dreamland. The score was 31-29.
DJ Mario. Yeah, you had a great game. Go, number 5. Seniors leading is even better. You know what? You got some education. Yeah! 2-point ball game. One nation. Boys Club ball. Timeout. Yeah! This is not crazy a ball game.
Shout out to Miss Hester. We undefeated still, Wolfpack Nation. Shout out to my boys. Fari, what's up? What's up?
What's goody? What's goody?
He the coach of the year.
What's up?
Run Harlem.
Good.
It was a good game.
Davon.
Yeah.
His last name is Hawkins.
Davon Hawkins.
My last name is Melvin, by the way.
Jellyfin Mel.
Jellyfin Vari.
J Rose.
Papa Thought. Wilmer Beard.
That's a fact.
Yeah.
We smacked them. We smacked them by like 40.
You see that 45 to 12 year?
Yeah.
Shout out to Coach Shaun.
Shout out to Coach Shaq. Shout out to Rel.
Yeah, shout out to Rel, you heard? Shout out to Jafari, by the way. Home team who? Wolfpack. Shout out to whole team right now. Wolfpack.
My name's Tom McKeon. I'm the instructor for the Young Adult Literacy Program at the Stanley Isaac Center on 93rd Street and First Avenue. The Young Adult Literacy Program is something where it's an earn while you learn program. You get paid to come to school 10 hours a week, internships, you work on your reading, your writing, your math. You'll learn about your community. We'll go to Washington, D.C. and visit the African American Museum. You'll meet professionals. We'll have lunch with them. All the while, you're working toward getting into your HSE class. Come join us. It'll be worth it.
You gotta get these free throws.
The classes, it's generally 10 to 4, Monday through Friday. If you already have a job and you're working part-time, it'll be less. You don't do the internship part, right? If you already have a job, you don't need an internship. But there's an internship component to this too.
That's a nice hairdo.
The phone number is 212-360-7620, extension 227. That's 212-360-7620, extension 227. My name's Tom.
Here we go. Pick up sticks. Number 11. What you gonna do, baby? You got a card?
This is my partner, Jill. You'll see Jill when she comes in the front door. She greets everybody.
Hi, I'm Jill. I'm the front desk specialist, the information specialist. Anything you want to know of anything at 1792, feel free to call me. My extension is 210.
Are you ready?
It's DJ Mario.
F-U-N spells.
Fun. DJ Mario and video. 212-714-7188.
My name is Alejandro, and my team is Castle Hill Athletics. And I think my team played very good today. We took the W today. I hit the winning shot today with the fadeaway shot. I really wouldn't do much without my teammates. Excuse me? I want to go to all my teammates. All my teammates. You want to say something, bro? I'm the main point guard of Castle Athletics. I had a couple bodies. Hard work and dedication wins the game. Yeah. I not married. We worked hard. That's all I gotta say. We worked hard.
What was the question?
Well, yeah, that's what we got. DJ Mario TV.
My name's Capri.
Don't be happy. What happened?
Say your name.
My name is Christian Reese. My name is Modiro Keita. My name is Musa Kamara. My name is Moon Dao. My name is E. My name is Bubaka Kontako. My name is Mally Bowler. My name is Masha Danishwara. My name is Bazimana Bagayoko. Let me fix that. My name is Malachi Clark. Team Dream.
It was a close game. We almost had it tight right there. We had to sub some people in because we weren't doing so good.
They was
we just
clutch.
had to run the plays. We just had to run the plays. It was clutch, but it was a good game. I like the defense, but all we have to do is stick together.
They was killing.